Welcome children, welcome back to Refresh Concept. Once again we inch further with our word problems on heights and distances. What is this particular problem trying to say? It says, while landing at an airport, a pilot made an angle of depression of 18 degree. So a plane is landing at the airport, the angle of depression made by the pilot is 18 degree. Average speed of the plane while landing was 200 km per hour. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. Time lapse from that angle of depression to it reaches the ground is 54 seconds. Find the height at which the plane was when it started landing. Find the height at which the plane was when it started landing. Let's understand the sum much more by doing the diagram for the same. So we say let the plane initially be at this particular point when it started landing. A plane always lands with inclination. It cannot drop down vertically. It cannot take a nosedive, right? So it lands with an angle of depression. The angle of depression here being stated is 18 degree. So can I say this angle is 18 degree, children? This angle is 18 degree. We intend to find out the height at which, that means the plane was when it started landing. Let us say this is nothing but the ground level and this is the height we are looking out for. This is the height we are looking out for. So say AB is the height which we are looking out for. B is the position of the plane when it started landing. Let C be the position when it landed the ground. When it finally landed the ground. The angle of depression is 18 degree. If this is 18, we now all are aware this is also 18 degree. Now the punchline over here is, children, kindly pay attention. It says the average speed of the plane was 200 km per hour. So it wasn't during the flight it was having a speed of 200 km per hour. It was only while landing the speed is 200 km per hour. Mind you, so whatever is the speed, we are talking about BC. Whatever is the speed, we are talking about BC. So it is for BC, the speed is 200 km per hour. We are not talking about the speed when it was flying. It's during the landing time. What is the time they have said? It took 54 seconds. The plane reached the ground after 54 seconds. That means the time is from B to C. The time is 54 seconds, children. The time is 54 seconds. Right? We intend to find out what is the height of the ground. Don't you think so that this is in second, this is in kilometer per hour. We need to convert this into meters per second? Indeed, we will do so. At the same time, we are going to find out the distance during the landing. So when we say distance during the landing, we are not going to take from A to C, mind you. It is not the ground distance which it is covering. It is the flight distance which it is covering while landing. So the distance covered will be from B to C and not from A to C. The distance covered is during the flight when it was trying to land. So it is from B to C. Let's initialize our sum by writing down, let B be the position of an aeroplane when it started landing. Let B be the position of the aeroplane when it started landing. What we need to find out? We need to find out the height at that time. Let AB be the height at that time. What is the angle of depression? Angle of depression is 18 degree. Angle of depression is 18 degree. So if you want, you can say measure angle BCA is 18. Actually, it is this angle which is 18. By alternate angle, we can say BCA is 18 degree. What next, children? we need to know what was the speed at that particular time. Speed was 200 kilometer per hour. Children, since time is given in seconds, speed is given in kilometer per hour, we have to convert that speed in meters per second. So what is that? 200 into, how we convert kilometer per hour into meters per second? By multiplying by 5 by 18. And those who still have a doubt and those who feel that I cannot write down directly, then I shall simply say we multiply by 1000 by 3600. Why 1000? Once again I shall make you understand in this particular sum. In a kilometer there are 1000 meters, and in an hour there are 3600 seconds. So that's the reason we multiply by 1000 by 360. Eventually reduces to 2 5s are, 2 18s are. So what next? Can I further divide this? 200s are, 2 9s are. What I'm left with? 500 by 9 meters per second. That is nothing but the speed of the aeroplane when it was landing. Right? Do I know the time? Yes. Time is 54 seconds. So what is the distance covered, children? We are talking about distance BC. Distance, and to be very precise, I will write down distance BC is speed into time. Speed into time. Speed is 500 by 9. Time is 54 seconds. 1s are, 6s are. The distance covered is 500 into 6, 3000 meter. Distance BC is 3000 meter. Now children, what we are supposed to find out. So this is what I'll write down in my sum. Now I can say distance BC is 3000 meter. Earlier I was not. It's only after calculation I got my answer. They say I intend to find out the height. I intend to find out the height. This time this AC is not given to us. So what we need to find out in context to the angle, opposite one is what we need to find out. In context to this angle, what is this 3000? Is this 3000 and hypotenuse? So who has the relation between opposite and hypotenuse? Sine. This time it's not 10. And every time I told you why we are making use and what trigonometrical function we are making use of. We always ask angle, that what you are supposed to find out and what is given to you in context to the angle. This time it is in context to the angle. With reference to this angle, opposite is what I need to find out. Hypotenuse is what is given to me. I'm going to make use of sine. So in triangle BAC, this time sine 18 degree. Sine 18 degree is, what is sine? Definition of sine? Sine of an angle? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Who is opposite? AB. That's the height of the plane. Hypotenuse, which is BC. Now children, if you look into your sines table, in your logbook, when you look into the sine table, sine 18 is given to you as 0.3090. 0.3090. I'm just writing at 0.309. The last 0 is immaterial, not significant, mind you. So 0.309 is AB. That's what I need to find out. How much is BC? BC we just now found out as 3000. BC we just now found out as 3000. So what is your answer? Your answer is AB is equals to, you just better write down over here, what is sine 18? Sine 18 is 0.309. Sine 18, the value of sine 18 degree is 0.309. AB is 0.309 into 3000. Children, very simple calculation. This three decimal points, or rather decimal digits will be taken care of by this 30. So the 3 decimals gets nullified with the 30. Ultimately, I'm supposed to go for 309 into 3. 309 into 3. Answer is 927 meter. Answer is 927 meter. So final answer, we got it. Find the height at which the plane was when it started landing. Therefore, the plane was at a height of 927 meter when it started landing. The sum was very, very simple, children. only one care one had to take, which was in context to angle. Moreover, speed was in kilometer per hour, which we had to convert into meters per second. Why? Because the time frame was in second. And finally, whatever was the distance covered was the inclined distance and not the horizontal distance. If we have taken all these 3 points into account, the sum was very, very simple, but quite different from what we have done up till now. I hope my children have understood it.